Hi, this is my speech app. The topic is COVID-19. COVID-19 pandemic changed a lot of life as we know it, and it may have changed us individually as well, from our morning routines to our life goals and priorities. Life goals and priorities. Many say the world has changed forever. In the past years, in the past year, the pandemic hit some of my family members, both financially and emotionally. My family was affected. It's seeing some family members struggling mentally and emotionally, especially with a pandemic, previous feeling of anxiety and depression. Even though it hurts me to see my family going through difficult times, I try to do my part to help. Through this experience, I've learned that having someone that will listen to you and comfort you is one of the greatest gifts to have. Stay home for the recommended time period of of pandemic. Others are do not go to work, school, or visit public places, and etc. Separate yourself from other people in your home. One key lesson that we learned from this pandemic is that nobody is safe until everyone is safe, because infectious disease do not respect borders. The pandemic has attacked by age. The younger you are, the safer you are. Common sense would have helped a whole lot, but perhaps one symptom of COVID we did not consider was common sense would be scarier than mass, no matter what other types of disease. We should always be careful because we don't know about the other people's disease, because they are always around. We can see them, but they are very dangerous. That's all. Thank